Welcome to Cranbourne Colour Primary School's first online assembly.
Hi, I'm Ritu and I'm one of the male school captains. I would like to begin by acknowledging the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today and pay my respects to leaders past, present and emerging.
Hi, I'm Chili and I'm the female school captain. Here is Ritu playing the national anthem. At Cranbourne Colour Primary School, we want to inspire a passion for learning through building curiosity and collaboration in a challenging and supporting learning environment that inspires excellence, and to encourage resilience and a positive self-image with focusing on respecting ourselves, others, and our world.
You've already met Tilly and I as your new school captains. Let's hear from Mrs. Walker and Mr. Sweeney to meet all of the other school leaders.
Welcome to our first online assembly, very exciting time, and also a very exciting time for our first 2020 CCPS school leaders. So we're about to present badges to our leaders. Can we just give each other a big round of applause first? And they're also leaders that are leading through COVID-19, which is a first time for everyone too. All of our lives have changed in all different ways with COVID-19, including your lives, and you got to lead actually online. So your first leadership experiences were mainly online and with remote learning. So well done, a fantastic effort, and well done to all those people that did those great videos and got their leadership out there and helping all the other students in the school community. Fantastic effort. All right, so the first one is our school captain, and our male school captain is Ritu. Congratulations, Ritu. Congratulations, and we'll do it potentially. Well done.
And our female school captain is Tilly Spinks. Well done, Tilly.
And our vice captains, our female captain is Rita. Well done, Rita. Oh, not here today. Well done, Rita. Let's give Rita a round of applause. She'll be able to watch it online.
And our male vice captain is Brock. Congratulations, Brock. We don't have to do the handshakes, mate.
And on to house captains. Our blue house captain, our male captain is Michael O'Leary.
Mate, well done. And our blue female house captain is Ciara. Congratulations, Ciara. Well done.
Congratulations, Ciara. Red house captains. Our female red house captain is Lida. Congratulations.
And our red male house captain is Adil. Congratulations, mate. Well done.
Greenhouse captain, our male captain is Samim. Congratulations, Samim.
And our red female house captain, our green female house captain is Ebstem. Should have said Ibby. Ibby, here it is. Congratulations, well done.
Yellow house captain, our female captain is Rejoice.
And our male yellow house captain is Millard. Congratulations, Millard, well done.
Sports captains, our male sports captain is Bryce.
Well done, Bryce.
Well done, Bryce. Congratulations.
And our female sports captain is Abby. Congratulations, Abby. Well done.
Congratulations. Art captains. Our female art captain is Willow. Congratulations, Willow.
And our male art captain is Kaylin.
Music captains. Our music female captain is Cynthia. Well done. Congratulations.
And our male music captain is Makia.
Performing arts captains. Our male performing arts captain is Xavier. Congratulations, Xavier.
And our female performing arts captain is Jasmine. Congratulations, Jasmine.
Float captain is Truly. Congratulations, Truly. Well done.
And our male float captain is Hashtag. You did it right, mate. Congratulations, mate. Well done.
And our male STEM captain is David. Congratulations, David.
What have we got? Oh, and our other STEM captain is Marcus. Congratulations, Marcus. Well done.
And a big round of applause to each other. Well done, everybody.
Now Tilly and I will present the Achievement Awards.
This certificate has been awarded to Mawish, FA. You have shown such a positive attitude towards your learning. You are learning to improve your work and do your best.
Ruth from FB. You have returned to school with a positive attitude and you are a wonderful role model for your classmates. Keep it up.
Yusuf FC. You have displayed respect and courtesy at all times in our classroom and you are a role model to your peers. Well done, Yusuf.
Yanyik from FD. You have shown a commitment to your learning by always having a go at your class activities. Keep up the great work.
Kai, 1A. Shown a great increase in your self-confidence since returning to school. It's great to see you so excited about learning.
Harlan from 1C. You have shown an enormous growth in your learning throughout both the remote learning time and your return to school. You should be so proud of your success so far. Harlan, well done.
Abigail, 1D. Concentrating during phonics and listened carefully to instructions.
Ellie Jane from 2A. You have shown commitment and a positive attitude towards your learning and you are always respectful towards your classmates. Well done, Ellie, and welcome to CCPS.
Spirus, 2B. Shown enthusiasm and curiosity during remote learning. You have worked very hard and added in extra details to your work. Well done.
Alexia from 2C. You have been respectful during class discussions and you are committed to completing your work. Well done.
Hunter, 2D. You have been trying your very best during the writing sessions and writing wonderful sentences. Also, your friends have noticed you are caring and respectful.
Jakav from 3B. You have returned to school with a positive attitude and trying your best with your work. Well done.
Irfan, 3C. Showing confidence and engagement with your learning, you have been focused on your task and shown deeper thinking through answering and asking relevant and interesting questions.
Janessa, 4A. You have shown great kindness to all your peers and have been a great friend to everyone in our class. Thank you for your positive attitude.
Abisa 4B. You have shown organization and motivation while working on your sustainability project. Keep up the hard work, Abisa.
Muthavel 4C. You have shown a great commitment to your learning during remote learning by completing all seesaw tasks, creatively presenting your work, and responding to feedback. Well done, Muthi.
Kiara 5A. You have shown great resilience and settled beautifully into 5A. You have quickly made some great friends and are an enthusiastic member of Year 5. Great work.
Leon Collins 5C. You have contributed enthusiastically with effective persuasive devices during a small group writing lesson. Thank you for sharing your ideas.
Savannah. You have demonstrated much more positivity, resilience, and confidence in all areas of school. I'm proud of you. Keep it up.
Congratulations to Medi in 6B. You have shown resilience in completing your work to a high standard and worked well during group work.
Bryce 6C. You have shown fantastic commitment to your leadership of the school by creating your introduction video during remote learning. Well done, Bryce.
Zareb 1D. You have taken lots of risk in performing arts. You have done an amazing job learning about locomotor and non-locomotor moves.
Emron from FB. You have shown enthusiasm and concentration while completing your clay tile design.
Samuvi 1D. You have danced up a storm in music, showing great leadership skills. You did it with a beaming smile. Well done.
And our final award is a special one for our whole CCPS all of our families and community. You have been great supporters of the school and the learning of all children throughout this term in these sometimes difficult and very different times. All CCPS teachers are very grateful for your effort and support. Thanks for everything from all of the staff at CCPS.
Congratulations to everyone that got an award.
The Year 5 children created decorative plates based on the slab mold technique, as well as attaching handmade details using hand building and attaching skills. Then we had a vote to find the most popular plate.
The winner for the teacher's vote is Tanvi from 5C, and you'll be receiving this.
The winner of the children's most popular vote is Jacob from 5C, and your prize is an Elmer's Colour Slime hit.
To those who have celebrated a birthday during online learning and in the last week, we wish you a very happy birthday. Can you all please sing along with us?
Don't forget that school holidays start on Friday. School finishes at 2:30 p.m. and Term 3 begins on Tuesday the 14th of July. Monday is a curriculum day, so no children at school.
Thanks for watching. Did you enjoy our first online assembly? Let us know.
It's not wrong. It's okay. Let me start.
Do I start?
No, I'm going to restart now.
You've already met... Oh, never mind.
Hi, I'm Tilly, and I'm one of the Hi, I'm Tilly, and I'm the female school captain. I can't do that. To those who have celebrated their birthday,
Read it if you need to.
thanks for watching. Did you enjoy our first online assembly? Oh, I forgot to laugh. Thanks for watching. Did you enjoy Thanks for watching. Did you enjoy our last online assembly? Oh, why did I say laugh? Thanks for watching our first online assembly. Did you enjoy our...
the last little message from me that I'm sneaking into the assembly. I'm sure you all agree that Ritu and Tilly did an amazing job hosting this, our first ever online assembly. So congratulations to you both. Thank you for all the work that you put into it. And we look forward to seeing everyone back at school, as Ritu mentioned, on Tuesday, the 14th of July. So not Monday, but Tuesday. Enjoy the break.